The City of LaPrairie is very excited to be able to remove the old backstop of the baseball field. It was donated years ago, and actually they used well pipe instead of the galvanized pipe. Very grateful for that donation back then, and very grateful for donations from Blandin Foundation and the Minnesota Twins to be able to upgrade our backstop, make it safer for the kids, and increase the use of the field. You can kind of see how rusted it got, and just dangerous for the kids. We didn't want the kids to hurt themselves on it, of course. When this opportunity came up, we jumped on it. We're working with the Greenway Joint Rec Association and trying to get a team that is based out of LaPrairie. If you haven't heard about it yet, please contact us, and we would love to get you going with the baseball team in the area.